Jackson's been here. Where are you from? Texas. I will kill it like Channing Tatum. I'm wet. I will punch your neighbors. Oh, fuck. Please. Please do. Thank you, Mace. Mesa? Manga? I'm sorry. I can't pronounce your name. This school lunch is gross. Ours was pretty. Ooh, fuck. Bomb. Actually. You're too shy or sensitive sometimes. I used to be so sensitive. Courtney's here. Oh my god. And now she's left because I burped. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Excuse me. I look. Name. Oh my god, I bet I can. Like, I bet. Bet. Wait, bet. Oh, fuck. I'm down. I'm fucking down. Rex is in here.
I feel like this picture is just a little bit. You took this last time. We want new pictures.
That tasted like Doritos. I have not eaten Doritos.
That's a little concerning, don't you think?
Cool. For sure. Luke Hutch. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you. Cause I was really bad at school.